Hey DECNs, when you are planning to start a digital business, it is always a good idea to be a solution provider or launch a SaaS application. On this channel DECN, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which you can start your digital business effortlessly without having any specific technical skill. In this video, we have to discuss a very wonderful solution for booking engine, the complete booking system that is being used by everyone, and it can be a very good startup business when you are launching such portals that can provide booking solutions for various services like the hotel booking, space booking, tour booking, car booking, event booking, flight booking, or even boat booking. There might be many more. So you might be wondering how you can launch such a wonderful solution portal without having any technical skill or without having team with you. Yes, you can do this without any team support, without any developer support by using a ready to use script. We have booking core in this video that we are going to overview in this video, and it is really a complete solution to launch a booking solution portal. It is made with Laravel, Amazon, and multi-store marketplace is here, and you can directly launch this application simply by installing this solution at your hosting. Yes, you are going to white label this. You are going to install this solution at your domain, at your hosting, and it is completely going to be yours. So let us start discussing the modules of this wonderful solution. First of all, I'll show you some booking aspects like if anyone is coming to book a hotel, and it can be simply done by using the search options, and you can see the speed of this portal is really awesome. This is hotel details, and the visitor may book rooms directly. So where to collect data, it is totally your job, and you can post your data here. So all the demo data is here to explore the services. Similarly, you can arrange to sell tour, car bookings, and such all booking or services that you can sell online. Hotel is prominently being booked online. The tours are there, the spaces, I mean the hotels, and the car booking is very common nowadays. The flight booking is also going online. So it is all about booking system that you can launch through this portal, and this is a complete portal. And the most important thing, it works very fast. So you can choose among multiple home pages, like this is booking another screen for booking hotels, and we have like tour agency options, like this is for specifically for tour agency. Similarly, we have for car booking. So you can opt any of these layouts for your target portal, and yes, you can launch this business without any hassle or without any trouble. So you have to understand all the data flow, how it the system is going to work, and I am taking you to the back end of this solution, that is on admin dashboard, so that you may understand how you are going to operate this solution. The expenditure is very minimal. You just need to spend $89 for getting this ready to use code. You are going to get quality checked by Envato, the future updates for this script, and 6 months support from the developer itself. So everything is ready to use. You just need to install. And for installing, you might be thinking you cannot install it. It comes with a complete documentation, but you don't need to worry. We are going to install the solution for you, and we are going to make it live for you. You can simply start using this. However, the free installation service is also available from the developer end, so you can get all the supports, and you can get in direct touch with them. And the booking core are the original developer. They are elite author at Code Canyon in Vato Market, and you need to buy the solution through the video description link. Yes, it is important to buy the solution through the video description link, so that we may also help you and you can get proper theme, proper solution, and proper support. So just follow the video description link for any support that you need. And now I'm taking you to the backend. I'm going to the admin dashboard, and I'll also show you the vendor dashboard. I mean, this can be a multi-vendor solution, so vendors can also sell your solution. So you are not only one who is selling. So there might be further agents who are supposed to sell the solution, sell the booking, and sell the services. And here is the dashboard. We landed here, and it is showing the basic stats, what is going inside the system. Okay. So now, since it is very first login, let us assume you are onboarding on the system and you are the owner of the solution. So first thing that you need to do is the setting, and the setting is the first screen. And in the general setting, we have all the controls, like we can rename the solution, we can put the site description, we can change the language, you can offer the solution in multiple language. Of course, you can change the logo and all such basic things. So there might be multiple language. You can launch the solution in multiple countries, multiple language at a time. We have hotel settings, how you want to show the hotel settings, like location, search style, limit per page, or the normal layout, the map, and default map things, and the icon marker on the map, form search fields, and all the settings that may require for hotel search pages. So map search fields are here, and you can change the SEO options as well. Similarly, we have a space settings. All the credentials of a space settings can be handled here, and the car settings, event settings, tour settings, the flight setting. By default, all is set, but yes, you need to overview all these things, how you are going to operate this. Further, we have visa settings, so new settings, and even booking settings. So this can be very important. Enable guest checkout, or enable ticket guest information, enable reCAPTCHA booking form, invoice logo you can change, and all those things that is required for booking settings. Inquiry setting, how the inquiry goes on the system, like inquiry for hotel, the inquiry type may be booking or inquiry, enable inquiry for tour. So you can enable and disable the things for which you want to keep the inquiry active. Further, we have user settings, like register options, disable registration, and user default role who you can set here. The inbox system allow customer can send message to the vendor or detail page. You can use the Google reCAPTCHA, disable verification feature, two-factor authentication, and the permanently delete account option is also here. So content email, like the email formats, you can change how the system sends email to the users, new users. And the valet setting is also here, in case if you are using the pro feature. So valet setting is here, so you can go for this as well. Further, we have vendor settings and the user plan settings. So in the vendor settings, you can select the terms and condition, vendor configuration, vendor registration, vendor profile, payouts, how payouts are going to be processed. Since it is a multi-level solution, so you can also register the vendors on the solution. User plan settings, you can run multiple plans, how you want to sell the package and plans. Payment setting is another important thing, where you are going to earn money, how you are going to collect the payment, like you can set the currency, main currency, extra currency, and the payment offline payment mode is also available here. Just in case if you are enabling it, you can configure the PayPal, Stripe, or Paydesk, or Payrex, and few more plugins. I mean, few more payment gateways. In the next setting, we have a style settings, how you want to display the things, like we can change the main colors and the header styles. The header styles are here. We can change everything. Further, we have advanced settings. We can change the search options, square site unit, and the map provider. We can configure here. Social login options. We can enable reCAPTCHA or the CAPTCHA, the custom scripts in all languages, and the cookie agreement, and config broadcast and pusher API, just in case if you are targeting. In the media settings, we have where we can access the media if you are hosting the media on external hosts. In the email setting area, we can simply configure the log email, like we can use the SMTP, send mail, or the log. So it is totally configurable how you want to use the system for sending and receiving the mails. SMS settings, further we can use the log, or the Trello is most commonly used for SMS, auto SMS, and configuration can be done using the parameters that you can see here. Further, we have uh, settings like the review advanced settings options are also here. Allow customer upload picture to review, or the enable reCAPTCHA review form and all. So these are the settings, and main settings, basic settings are here that you need to do at very first time. This is one time. However, you can change these settings always as per your requirement, how you want to run the system and configure the solution. So next is the tools that I wanted to show, and in the tools area we had the languages. So you can configure the languages here, and the translation manager. And further, we have system logs that we uh, always wish to keep. So how the system is working, what are the faults, and what are the error records. So you can check all these things, and after setting and handling the tools, you can go for the main area. However, I'll start with the reporting. So like all the reports, since you are being the super admin, so you can check the reports throughout the system, that is system being generated, booking reports, the booking statistics, contacts, submissions, and either credit purchase reports. Now we can come back to the dashboard and we can check rest of the modules, how the data is flowing. First of all, we have coupons, so we can create coupons here for offering on the portal. So you can create new coupons through this option. You can fill the credentials like coupon code, coupon name, and the coupon amount, how what amount you want to offer as discount, or you can have the discount type like amount or percentage. User restrictions, uses restriction, you can allow like minimum spend or the maximum spend only for services. You can check the services on which the coupon may be applied, so you can configure here which the coupon is applicable on which services, and all the configuration can be done regarding coupon. Further, we have reviews management here, what reviews you are getting on the system from the visitors, so you can handle those reviews, and you can vote or approve status. You can check the view vote. So this view vote is the, this is for review on the board. So you can check what is the listing on which the review is has come. Next, we have the catalog. So we can set the locations, like uh, where we are providing the solution. We can take the all location. We can add new locations as per our requirement, and we can edit the existing ones. So like you can add new locations with the parameters and details here. All category for location category, like category name, education, health, and all. In the hotel area, we have listing of all hotels. Like you can list the hotels as you need. So I'm showing you one of the listings. So there might be in multiple languages. So the hotel name, the hotel content, the hotel YouTube video, the banner image, the gallery, the hotel policy, and the guarantee policy, children policy, all the policy, check-in, check-out time, the pricing structure, and the mm, services like breakfast, or the uh, all the services that you are willing to provide for a particular hotel can be configured here. So all the hotel listings can be controlled here, and you can also set the attributes, that like property type, facilities, what attribute you want to set. Like an e-commerce website, we used to create attribute. You can create attribute as well. And further, we have recovery options. Next, we have tour listing screen. So here we can upload all the tours. So this is the tour listing page. So in the tour listing page, we have general, locations, and the pricing structure, again availability status, and SEO type. So you can handle all tours categories, availability, and the booking calendar can be seen here. So when the booking has been done for which tour. So this is very important screen. So you can check in summary on which date the tour had been booked by any uh, potential customers. Further, we have a space, so we can handle all the space listings here, like village space can be listed, or all the details of a spaces can be kept here or can be placed here. Further, we have control on the attributes, availability, and recovery of spaces. Similarly, we have the flight booking area, so all flights can be listed here, and you can check add a new flight and the airlines, the airport, like you are willing to add the new airlines, so you can add new airlines and upload the image, and you can handle the existing airlines as well. Further, we have airport, so we can set the destination airports for where we are selling the tickets. Seat types and attributes are also here. In the car listing area, we have all cars, and we can add new cars. So we have these parameters to add new cars, like YouTube video FAQs, the passenger info, the location info, the pricing info, all can be updated. Next is the boat listing, and that is also around similar thing. And event booking, visa booking. So all the listing area can be easily handled from these panels. Now the support centers. Since the visitors and the buyers are interacting on the system, there might be multiple support requirements that you need to provide. Like support tickets can be uh, additional module if you are buying the pro one. So you'll get this module as well, like supports and the topics on the supports. So this is a premium module that you can avail in add as an add-on of booking core. Now the system. So settings we have seen. The users mean the who had been registered on the system, like customers, vendors, are all users can be handled here. So you can add new users from this screen as well, and you can handle the existing users. So it is totally configurable again. So you can change and update all the details regarding this uh, users. Similarly, you can set the role managers, what administrator, what vendors can do on the system. Like if you are editing the permissions of vendors, what actually they can do, you can change here. And the role manager you can decide, and the subscribers you can decide. And further, we have the upgrade request on the verification request option is here. So it is again very important module, and all the users and the role managers can be edited here. So like this is just a code. So roles exactly is the role name. So this is all a screen that we can discuss, and the admin dashboard, and this is how the data is flowing. You are simply uploading the services, I mean the selling services that you want to offer on the portal, and further you are controlling the bookings and the reservations what you receive, like location bookings and all, like all locations and all. So in the booking area, as I told you, you can check all the bookings. Since this is a test installation, no booking is here. Now I am taking you to the vendor login, how vendors are using the system, so that you may be very clear how admin are going to handle the solution and how your further agents are using the solution. So somehow I am unable to log in as vendor, but the screens are almost same with some limitations to vendors. They cannot change the main thing, and the booking system and the listing system almost same. So now I am logging as an user, and this is the user screen, and where we can check, like a visitor, how visitor can check their screens and how visitors are interacting with the system. So visitors, I mean the users need to verify their mail, and the portal will work and for them accordingly. So this is undoubtedly a end-to-end booking solution, and you can offer all those services that can be booked online here. You can list your products or services here, and basically services that can be booked online. And this can be a very good business, and it is a long-lasting business, of course. So the tour and travel agents and the ticket booking agents can use this portal widely, and however, other booking systems are also here. So I believe this can be a good choice for you. However, we are exploring multiple solutions. Now I'm coming back to the solution again. This is booking core that we discussed. This is Laravel booking system. It has already got a very good number of sales and very good reviews from existing users. You need to spend $89 plus hosting plus domain name. So hardly in $200 you can launch this business, and you'll get all the supports through the uh, solution developer and through us. So all the links had been given in the video description. If you want to start this solution, follow the link in the video description and buy the solution and let us get in touch for installation services and all. So it is all for you, and in the next video I'm coming with more wonderful solution so that you may launch your digital business very quickly. Till then, goodbye, keep watching. Thank you.